our innovation is a very sophisticated piece of instrumentation called KINARM. And KINARM, we think, is going to be an essential tool for measuring deficits caused by neurological injury or disease. And right now, we're really lacking, the clinicians are lacking quantifiable tools to measure the impacts of an injury, such as a concussion caused at the hockey rink or a stroke in a senior citizen. And so we think this is really critically important to a clinician to aid in creating a treatment program. And why this is important in the digital economy is that effectively it leads to better healthcare decisions, more efficient use of our health resources, and providing a whole suite of data that currently the clinician doesn't have access to. And that in a digital economy should really be the purpose, is using all the tools that we have available to us in order to make better decisions and ultimately to improve outcomes resulting from brain injury. In this particular project, what we have realized is something we're calling KINARM standard tests. And KINARM standard tests is a suite of sort of 5 basic tests that will give a full assessment of sensory, motor, and cognitive function. Before, a researcher had to kind of create these tests on their own. With Precarn's help, we've been able to engage software developers with our customer in order to drive a full suite analysis package that allows automatic reporting of the assessment itself. There's enormous market opportunity for this because, as I said at the beginning, brain injury is a big problem. And right now, there are no tools. It's very crude tools that a clinician uses to assess the sensory, motor, or cognitive impairment by someone. And so really, at the end of the day, our vision is that there's going to be a KINARM in a room, as part of the imaging suite, right next to the ultrasound machine, right next to the MRI suite, where a doc sees a patient, he says, okay, I think this patient needs an assessment of this, this, and this. They perform a requisition, the patient goes off to the KINARM suite, they'll have an assessment, and then the report will come back to the doc, and the doc will make decisions on how to plan a treatment program based on that report. And so that ultimately means that we see a KINARM in every hospital around the world.